Hi, my name is Jasmine Palmer, and I'm a tutor here at Go Tutors. Today, we're going to go over combining like terms and what are like terms. For us to understand like terms, we have to understand what a variable is. So, a variable is a symbol or letter that represents one or more number. So, for example, if we have 5x, x would represent the variable, and actually 5 will represent the coefficient. Okay. So a coefficient is when a term is a product of a number and a variable. That represents the coefficient. Or in layman's terms, the number in front of your variable. That is known as your coefficient. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that combines one or more variables. So algebraic expression combines numbers, variables, in at least one operation. So these right here are all examples of algebraic expressions. So algebraic expression can be a plus 3, 5 times d, b divided by 8, or 2 times n plus 6, close parentheses. A term is our last vocabulary. A term is a number, a variable, product, or a quotient. So all of these are considered terms. They have a number, they have a variable, and its product, which is multiplication, and we have quotient. So all of these represent terms. So here we have combining like terms we're going to review. Like terms would be they have to have the same variable and the same exponent. So 5a, for example, if I have 5a and 6a, they're like terms because they both have the same variable. If I have 5a squared and 6a squared, they both got the same variable and the same exponent. So now we're going to do example using a real world scenario. So say if I had 3 water bottles, and that's a water bottle represents W. So that would be 3W. And then say I have burgers. I have 2 burgers. So that would be 2B for burgers. Plus a Dorito. 1D stands for Dorito. And we can just put them together. 3W plus 2B plus 1D. So these are terms. And it's good for grouping. So burger with burger would be like terms because they're both a burger. Water and water are like terms because they're all a bottle of water. And so there's also knowing like terms helps with distributive property. All right. So this is the same thing I was saying before. Take the outside number and multiply by everything on the inside. So that'd be 5 times x. Since x just represents an unknown number and they're not like terms, it would just be 5x. Then I would take 5 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. Now 5x plus 30 cannot be combined because this one has a variable, which is the letter x, and the other one doesn't. So you cannot combine them because they're not like terms. Okay? Thank you for joining my video lesson today on combining like terms. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.